Hey folks, back on the Packard. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. I got a 12-volt battery here. You gotta see this thing turn over now. Watch this. I won't turn the ignition on yet. I'll turn the ignition on. Yeah, something ain't right. I'm pretty sure I got the wiring on there right. But boy, it sure acts like it's way advanced for some reason. Hang on a second, let me think about this. Yeah, you know what? We got problems with this engine. There's exhaust coming out of it right here. I think this head's cracked. And I also noticed when it fired, smoke was coming out of this out of the water pump. So what does that tell me? That tells me that the head gasket is blown and the exhaust compression is going out through one of the water jackets in the block. You know, I was looking at this early on when we first got this all apart. That's not good. So I don't see any reason to go any further with this for now. Because we got issues. Hang on a sec. This is the other engine that was in that garage. I took the starter off of it because I wanted that brass thing for the starter. And I wonder if that's the reason they had this engine in there, because that one's shot. Of course, this one don't look much better. Look at that mess. I haven't really looked at this engine closely. But boy, oh boy, we got problems. Hang on. Well, folks, I guess I'm going to have to call that a video because I'm not going to go any further with this project until I talk to the owner. He was under the impression that this engine had been rebuilt. Of course, years ago, but it was still a rebuilt, known good engine. And it certainly isn't. So, granted, we do have another car with an engine in it and that engine on the ground. So we'll see if this project goes any further. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted. Talk to you later. Bye.